Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel of SR Capital Public School. In this video, we shall read the poem The Road Not Taken, which has been composed by Robert Frost. First of all, let me introduce you to the poet Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost, who was born on 26 March 1874 and died on 29 January 1963, was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in the United States. Known for his realistic depictions of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech, Frost frequently wrote about settings from rural life in New England in the early 20th century, using them to examine complex social and philosophical themes. Let's read the poem, The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller. Long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a shy, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. The first line is two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Here, diverged means two roads separated in two different directions. The Road Not Taken is one of the finest poems of Robert Frost. In the poem, the poet stands at a crossing of two roads and he is all alone. He is in a dilemma which road he should choose. One road looks frequently travelled and the other one looks less travelled and grassy. The poet takes the second road and hopes that he would take the first one some other day, although he is not sure whether he would ever come back. After a long time, he realizes that he has made the right choice by choosing the less travelled road. He thinks that if he had taken the other road, it would not have been so fruitful. Through the poem, the poet wants to tell us that in our life, when we have to make two choice out of many choices, we should be very careful to do so. Dear students, let us learn the meaning of difficult words of the poem The Road Not Taken. Diverge. Diverge. Diverge means to separate in different direction. Thought. Though. Though means in spite of something. Wood. Wood. Wood means forest. Trodden. Trodden. Trodden means walked over. Doubt. Doubt means uncertainty. Claim. Claim means demand. The rhyming scheme of the poem is AB, AA, B, and the poetic devices used in the poem are personification, metaphor, and repetition. The poem contains 4 stanzas and each stanza contains 5 lines. This is called a quatrain. Thus, the poem contains 4 quatrains. The poetic devices used in the poem are personification, for example, two roads diverge in a yellow wood. Here, the poet is not talking about road walk in the woods. Actually, he is using the concept of a diverging road to relate to making decisions in life. Next is metaphor. In the poem, the poet uses the fork in the road as a metaphor for the choices we make in our life. Next is repetition. Somewhere ages and ages hence. This is the example of repetition in the poem. Let us learn the summary of the poem. The Road Not Taken, a well-known poem composed by Robert Frost, is about making decisions and the choices that shape our future. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common, ordinary experiences. In the poem, The Road Not Taken, the road symbolizes our life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is actually the road not taken. He describes his feelings about that choice that he had left in the past. The path which we have chosen decides our future, our destination. The important message that the poet wants to give is that the choice that we make has an impact on our future, and if we make a wrong choice, we regret it but cannot go back on it. So we must be wise while making choices. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.